this is Michael from the Learning Centers, and I want to show you how to incorporate the Learning Centers into your courses so that no matter if your students are on ground or online, they have access to us. So this is my little sandbox course where I play around with things until I learn how to do them. But there are really two ways to incorporate the Learning Centers into your class. So the first way, both ways start the same. So we're going to add something to our sort of subject area lines over here. So we go here, and the first way is probably the quickest way. So we're going to say I want to add a web link to my class, and I'm going to call this Writing Center. So let's say that you are a writing teacher or a math teacher. You might want to make this more specific. If you're an FYS teacher, you might want to link to our homepage so that your students have access to everything. But if you're a writing teacher and you really want your students just to have access to this, you can be more specific. So you go to Writing Center, copy the URL, go back to content, paste it here, make it available to users, and then submit. And as you can see, it appears right here. So that's the first way. In the student view, what this looks like is it immediately leaves your class. So it's not as though they can interact in your course. It's just a link to something else. And when school starts, our schedules will be right here. So as soon as they link, they can click here and get access to an online tutor. The second thing you can do to add the Learning Center into your classes is add a content area. So this way, we have a content area. We're going to name this one Math Science Center. Okay, and we're going to make this available to users as well. So let's submit this. So here, we are going to build content. So the difference here from the Writing Center is that the students will largely stay in your course as they play with the content, and also you can add more content. So because this is a Math Science Center, obviously we're going to go to Math Science Center, and the first thing we want to add is just a link to the Math Science Center, which will have instructions on how they can get online tutoring, but also our on-ground schedule if and when that happens. So we're just going to say we want to add a web link. Paste that, and maybe this link is get tutoring, right? So we submit that and we save. But the other great thing about doing a content area instead of a direct link is you can also use our helpful videos as a supporting link. So if we go back to the Math Science Center page, let's say you're teaching quantitative literacy. Over the summer, the tutors and I have been creating and curating videos to help out all of Belmont students. So we have most of the lectures that they will be engaging with in quantitative and quantitative literacy and methods. I want to say qualitative so bad. That is my fear of math, I think, coming out of my voice. So not only can you link to the center, you can copy this and link, again, build content, go to web link, and link to our helpful videos. Put that URL there. Done. Submit. And finally, you can also use our welcome video here if you'd like to. So if you go to our instructor resources, in lieu of necessarily doing a class visit, we created a welcome video together. So you can click here for our welcome video. Find that link. There's Brandon saying hello. And then we're going to copy here again. And we're going to build that content out as a web link. Now, this might be something that you want just to show your classes as a whole, or you might let them just explore by themselves. It's really up to you. So now we have not just a welcome video, which obviously we want first, but we also have tutoring and helpful videos for them. So it really is a complete help area. And you don't have to just call it Math Science Center. It could be a Get Help tab where you have links to, say, counseling or GPS, and all of that is available in one area. But we just want to be included in your classes, and please let us know if you can come up with another way for us to help. Have a great day. Bye.